Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, at kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please do subscribe and like this video. So this quarantine period, naisipan namin na i-makeover yung kwarto ni Likes. As you can see here, ayan, medyo magulo po siya dahil nag-aayos na po siya ng kanyang mga gamit. Ililipat namin siya sa kabilang kwarto muna habang inaayos namin yung kwarto niya. Nakikita niyo dito yung kanyang cabinet, ayan. Wala pa siyang pintura. So, una muna namin ginawa is pininturahan namin na white paint yung kanyang cabinet muna. Then next, na-repaint namin with the same color yung kanyang walls. Of course, nagpatulog po kami sa aming mga pinsan dahil hindi namin abot. As you can see, yung mga nabakbak na pintura sa may halige, kiniskis na lang namin yan, niliha, and then tsaka namin pininturahan ulit. As you can see, yung upper half lang ng wall ang pininturahan uli namin. Yung lower half naman, lalagyan namin ito ng design. For the lower half ng wall, nag-search muna kami ng design for our inspiration na gagawin namin sa wall. And since yung design namin na napili is hexagon shape, medyo pahirapan lang siya guys kasi mano-mano namin siyang in-outline. Pero napaka worth it pag natapos. So para magawa namin yung design na hexagon, nag-cut out muna kami ng template ng shape and then in-outline lang namin ng masking tape yung outer part ng template. So after namin ma-outline lahat ng walls, tsaka kami nagpintura in ombre style or from light to dark. After nga ng lahat ng paghihirap, eto na ang itsura niya. Tsaka mo ma-appreciate yung design and yung kulay after mo matanggal yung masking tape like this. And para bumagay naman yung pintura ng wall dun sa pintura naman ng pintuan, naglagay kami ng onting accent at chocolate color sa design ng wall. So all in all guys, tatlong kulay lang yung nagamit namin for this makeover, which is yung color white, aquamarine, and yung dark brown. So for the final look, tara, pasok tayo! So that's it guys, this is Laika's room makeover for this quarantine period. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So please comment down below if you like this video, and kung gusto nyo makita guys na i-makeover naman namin is yung kwarto ko naman, which is sa kabila lang. Thanks for watching guys. Bye!